Hey there, people. You guys want to come scrapping with me? Let's go! Add to this pile. Getting there. So I got yesterday. Got that on Sunday. Fucking junk everywhere. Byla's gonna love me again. Some more junk there from across the street. Anyway, let's go get some more.
Holy fuck, it's worm.
Not. I think that's wrong a little bit. There we go. The fridge. Then what's that? Garbage can. No good. Get the fridge. Thought I'd take you guys on a good scrapping trip, but there's really nothing out here today. Got a fridge, some metal. It's not bad. I got a little pile at home, and we'll see. We'll go home, check my messages. Maybe I gotta go pick some shit up somewhere. Right on. See you in a bit. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get used to the scrapping at night there. Can't see fuck all. Ah well. Just to give you guys a little view of our downtown Sudbury. That's our downtown. Oh, somebody's closing. Lady walking up. Random footage. Random lady did take forever to walk up here. Oh well, there's our Sudbury. Moon. Ford with some junk. Yeah, it's quite different scrapping at night. Like, you can't see down the streets. Oh, good thing I got a load at home there. Fucking kick ass tomorrow. Well, another long day at the office. Got some weight. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Good junk everywhere. Anyway, managed to get myself my case of beer. Let's go see. I'll go check my messages, see if I have to pick anything up. Well, sure as shit. I did get a phone call to go pick some shit up. I have an ad on Kijiji, which I got the odd phone call to pick stuff up. Well, this guy tells me he's got 2 fridges, and one's a fucking antique. He figures I need him to help him load it because it's so heavy. He says, well, let's go see what that looks like. Well, that was worth it. Picked up the 2 fridges from Buddy. Old school, man. Just old fucking school. She's a beauty. Buddy tells me they both work. So I don't know. I hate it when they tell me they work. Should I Kijiji it? That's old school. It's beautiful. Hate to scrap it. She must fucking suck in the juice though. Anyway, people, we'll talk to you guys later. Huh?